Hello, and welcome to another installation, another episode of Tidal Reviews. Hi, hello, and I have a fork ready. Um, Now we're going to review something that's really just like something special, right? And it only comes once a week unless you order for a home delivery type of thing. There's a minimum order. But anyway, yeah, this is what we're going to review. This beautiful spread from the Saturday market in the neighborhood. And it's called La Cuisine. It's French. And there you go. This is like all the info. I initially went to them for pate, like country pork pate, like to try it out. And it's really good. You know, they're very nice. It's my favorite. And it's actually not that expensive, considering the serving sizes, which I'll show you later. So you can order this, a home delivery, all of that good stuff. I had a good feeling, because like profit margins aren't going to be that big for non-chains. He's not a chain, you know. I hate chains. I went to Subway the other day, and I'll explain later. But anyway, this is chicken. What was it again? Chicken liver. And we're going to taste that soon. This is the pièce de résistance. It's really heavy, which I love. I actually was like, what the fuck? Your serving sizes are amazing. And it's lasagna. But yeah, La Cuisine is hosted by someone called Jean. And he's French, I think. It's really nice. Look at that. Look at that beauty. And this is $390 a piece, I think. Let me see. Pasta, beef lasagna with 4 cheeses. Yeah, 600 grams for $390, which is a steal if you ask me. He already made it. Look at that beautiful, beautiful texture. Like, you can see the beef, the cheese. Look at that. It's a beauty, isn't it? So we're going to taste it. Here we go. Oh my God. I'm weak at the knees right now. This is amazing. Jean, hats off to you. You're doing God's work. You really are. I mean, I feel like there are better places out there, obviously. I mean, there's always going to be a better place. But I'm tired of chains. I'm tired of like companies. Like, it's like you're not even buying food for yourself. It's you're buying food to pay for their houses, their infinity pools, their new car. You know what I mean? Like, it's fucked up. It really is. You can't do that. Hold on. I just realized my fan is on. So there you go. Maybe that's better. Anyway, yeah, so sorry if there was fan noise. I didn't realize. My bad. Let me check if the light... Oh, that's actually better. Okay. It's just amazing. So good. It's better than any chain, any mall restaurant, anything that I've had. And it motivates me to like just seek out what's best. Not even what's best, but just like decent. Because really, I had a Subway sandwich the other day. Like last night. I had a Subway sandwich last night. It was awful. It's like $1 cheaper than this, but it was like so dry, so flavorless. It was basically not, you're paying for the owner, the franchisee's house, rent, taxes, bills, everything. That's what you're paying for. Almost entirely. But this, you're paying for something else. You're paying for the heft. You're paying for the heft. You're paying for the taste. Although I'm not going to lie. The beef could be seasoned a little bit better. Could have been fresher. That's like my only complaint. It's good. It's good. But the beef, yeah. could use some improvement. But it's really good. It's really good. The pork pate was my favorite. That was just something else. That was a flavor adventure. That was just an assault on the senses, but not assault because that has negative connotations, but wonder, marvel of the senses. Oh, shit. Okay. Enough of that for now. Let's try the chicken liver. I hope it's as good as the pork, but I feel like the pork's going to be better. Should have gotten more pork. It had bacon in it too. I have to round it. Oh my God. It's a little bit dry, but you can taste the cognac. I've never had cognac before. So that's why I said, ooh, because it's such a new flavor to me. Amazing. Rubber band. I still like the pork a lot more. Not gonna lie. That's what his best dish is so far. But this is really good. Anyway, back to the lasagna. What else can we talk about while I eat? I'll eat some more, then end the video because I want to eat it on my own. It still keeps me from doing food reviews because I love being alone watching something while I do this. But I want to share it with you guys. Oh. I don't want to ruin the mellow. That's enough. That's enough. It's crushed red pepper. Just to give it a little bit of kick. Because it kind of falls flat. The pork pate. Oh my God, I missed it. I wish. I'm going to show a photo of it soon. Maybe here, around there. Oh, that's good. A little bit of kick, like I said. Nuts. $48 hours notice. No discount on delivery. December 1. Oh, delivery dates. Okay. My fingers are oily. You're going to find the pate. Country pate with pork liver. This is it. That's it. That's the one. He also had sole and octopus. White wine. Look at that. I will splurge on this. La Cuisine. They had a restaurant. I asked them. They had a restaurant before, but now they just do the Sunday market and the home delivery. And I feel like, while it's a shame, still kind of like it's like they spend less on paying the bills on the restaurant and more on just focusing on the food aspect, which should be the core, not fucking expanding. Because listen, if you eat at KFC, you pay for the new branch. You pay for like everything else that you see, like the plates, their forks, their knives, like it's like the salary of everybody. Like that doesn't even take precedence, that's another topic for another day. So fucked up. Can't even begin to talk about how low minimum wage is here, but it goes to the food. It really does. Yeah, he skims cream off the top, obviously. What's the point if you don't? It's a business, but it's a business that puts food first. It really does. Like, my God. And without charging too much. This is good. This is a hefty serving, okay? Sbarros, they're fucking shit. Sbarros is shit. Trust me. It's fallen really fast. I think I ate a bit of foil. Oh no, it's shit. Why would I show you that? I don't know what that was. Okay. Gonna eat more of the liver? I've had cognac, but this is something else. I really prefer the country pate. That was so amazing. I was mind blown. Oh my god, but this is also so good. Oh fuck, where did it go? Oh shit. Fuck, oh my god, I need to wash these towels again. And all of this was $660. So that's like $11. $390 for the lasagna. $270 for this, or something like that. I'm gonna eat it all right here. Good food, guys. Really makes you want to sing. It's amazing. And get the bits. These bits from the plastic. Getting my money's worth. I mean, obviously, the weight ratio of the liver to the lasagna, like, it's lost, you know? Like, the lasagna is a clear winner. So I've gotten another kind of lasagna. Another kind of pasta dish, I mean. He had tons of those. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. It's really nice. I think I kept it brief. I'm going to go for one more. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful meat. Beautiful noodle. I'm molesting it, I know. I'm going to be better at this. But look at that beauty. Sorry, camera. Beauty. Oh my god. I hit the sauce. More cheese. In the middle. This is how you do food, guys. This is how you do food. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. And thank you for being more of an honest business. La Cuisine. Support him. Support him, guys. Support him.